Welcome back to my channel. It's JusMeLah, and in today's video I'm going to be doing some crochet braids using the Freetress braid in deep twist, and it's the color TT350, which looks like this. Now, can I do a full head with these 3 packs? I'm not sure, but we're about to see. And I did buy 7 packs originally, but I only have 3 left because I tried to do this hairstyle yesterday. And the hair looks really nice, the color is really nice, but I haven't done crochet braids in a really long time, in about 2 years. I might insert some of the footage because I did film it as well, thinking it was going to be a success. So I may insert some of that footage so you can see the complicated braid pattern I decided to try, or maybe the time-consuming braid pattern I tried to do. I wanted to be able to do a half up, half down look, as well as pull my hair into a high ponytail. So I split my hair into a top half and a bottom half. The problem came in once I installed all of the hair. The hair didn't flow properly because of that split. There was sort of a dent in the flow of the hair because there was 2 sections, a top and a bottom section. The box braids around the perimeter was fine, but everything else didn't look right, so I took it out. That's where I'm at, and I'm hungry. Going straight into my hair. I wanted to keep it simple this time around. I didn't want to experiment, especially because the night before I tried something different and it failed terribly. In addition to that, I was very tired, so I wanted to do something that was very easy. I did 12 cornrows at the front of my head and joined them into 7 larger cornrows. I then did 1 horizontal braid at the back of my head, and I did that in case I wanted to lift my hair up. There would be a clean look at the back. Install the hair, you want to separate a small piece. You're going to open your latch hook and slide it underneath the cornrow. Once it's all the way through to the other side, you're going to hook the hair onto the latch hook, close it, and pull it through. Now you're going to only pull one side of those 2 strands into the hook and pull that through, and that's how you do the knotless method. I'm going to do it again. You slide that latch hook underneath the braid, you hook the hair onto the latch hook, close it, and you slide it through, and you only take one of those sides and put it back in the latch hook. You pull it through. I pulled it through twice to create 2 knots, and then I am going to pull that one strand completely through and tighten it. Now for the knotted method, which I do at the front of my head, I'm going to slide that latch hook through, put the hair onto the hook, close it, slide it back, and put both strands in the hook, close it, and then pull it through the loop. I'm then going to tighten that and section off about 1/3 of hair and use that 1/3 of hair to wrap around the rest of the strands to knot it. And I do that twice to help secure it. I then take that hair that I used to wrap around and split that in 2, and I knot that twice as well. And I do that to secure the hair to make sure it doesn't slip and slide, especially because this hair is slippery. If it was more coarse, I wouldn't need as many knots. Now, I'm gonna keep it real with you all because my intention was to come on here and act like it's been the same day, but it's honestly been like, it's been like 6 days. It's about to be a week that I've had this hair in, but this is the final look. Off camera, I refined this look by adding a little bit more hair. The ending result is a little different. Keep on watching so you can see how it all turns out. I will be going in and filling in this, I believe it's this braid right here. So I'm going to be doing that, and then I'm also going to try and bring the hairline a little bit closer. So This is what the front is looking like. So I'll be back after I finish filling, okay? Peace out. Okay, I'm back, and this time it really is the same day. I went off camera and I filled in the braid over here. You can't see it, but I filled it in, which made this side even poofier. I then went in and filled in this braid and the braid beside it. I didn't realize they were so sparsely filled in because I never wore a center part. I just always had it flipped over to a side part. So I did that. I also went in into my edges. So I'm gonna show you. Ew, ew, ew. Yes, she did that. So you remember what it looked like before. Ew, ew. Yes, yes, y'all, jigga man. Yes, I did that. That's why I say queen of the crochet braid, period, okay, period. So this is for real, the final look. And that's all she wrote, folks. Thank you so much for watching. It's your girl, JusMeLah. Stay tuned for future videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Peace. Peace in the Middle East. Peace. Okay.